and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I am going to be making a small wreath to go on my home sign. I have recently DIY'd this home sign, and what I have decided that for an O I will have a seasonal wreath hanging on here, so I needed to make one for my fall decor. And naturally I gravitate to Dollar Tree products and supplies because they are inexpensive and great to DIY with. So the wreath had come from obviously the Dollar Tree, and then all of these flowers are off of the pumpkins, like these pumpkins that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. And I won't be using them on them, so I had picked up all of these things off of them. And then I also had just odds and ends green leaves that I wanted to use up. These are just, most of them had come from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, but they are a dollar product. And I don't know if you recall, back in summertime they had a windmill and it had this welcome on it. I used the windmill, which was on top, but I did not use the welcome, so I will be using that as well. And then of course hot glue. So I'm going to get started on the DIY. You also need some sort of wire cutters for the greenery, and I also want to just cut off this. I don't know if this will work. These might not be strong enough. So now I'm going to just cut off these leaves so they're a bit easier to work with. Leaving a little bit of an end so I can actually shove them in there. So now I'm going to start gluing, and I'm just gonna start with the leaves. I'm going to add these little odds and ends from that little flower arrangement on top. So I have that one, I've got these, so I'm going to add them all in. Just a great way to use up everything, so that way you don't have to waste any of it. And I'm just placing them just to see where I want them to go before I glue them. And now I'm going to put this welcome here. And now I'm going to fill in with the leaves just on the edges here. Maybe if I turn it this way, like that. Glue them on. I also want to mention, if you do not know, I also have a home channel where I do cleaning and decorating. So if you want to see how I showcase all of my DIYs, make sure you check out that channel as well. I will have all of my channels linked in the description box, and you can pick and choose, or maybe even subscribe to all of them. So this is it. I do love how simple this was, and it really didn't cost me much at all. The wreath was $1.25. The rest of the stuff I already had on hand from other projects that I was working on. So just a little budget-friendly DIY to spruce up your home for fall. I would like to thank all of you for watching this video. If you liked it, please let me know down in the comments and press that like button. And if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I am posting tons and tons of fall DIY decor this month and next month, so you don't want to miss out any of my upcoming uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.